A war of words has broken out between the Congress and the BJP after the CBI director Ranjit Sinha reportedly stated that the UPA government would have been happy if key Narendra Modi aide Amit Shah was prosecuted in the Ishrat Jahan fake encounter case. And though Mr. Sinha now says he has been quoted out of context, he continues to make the point that the CBI is not a Congress Bureau of Investigation as many allege.
Yet another political storm over the Ishrat Jahan fake encounter case. This time over CBI Director Ranjit Sinha's reported remarks. The Economic Times quoted the CBI boss as saying, "There were political expectations. The UPA government would have been very happy if we had charged Amit Shah. We went strictly by evidence and found there was no prosecutable evidence against Amit Shah. Clearing Shah is testimony to the fact that it's a fair and thorough investigation." Amit Shah is a close aide of BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi and an accused in the Sohrabuddin fake encounter case. Soon, the CBI chief issued a clarification to NDTV saying, "I have been misquoted unfairly and out of context. The BJP and the Congress both may be very angry with us, but we've done a fair investigation. We've shown we are not a Congress Bureau of Investigation as many allege."
जो आपने बयान दिया है सर, लगा ना मैं सर, लेकिन आपके हवाले से खबर जो चल रही है सर, उसको सर आपने नहीं दिया है कोई बयान.
But the damage was done. A war of words between the Congress and the BJP erupted in no time.
और सीबीआई ने राजनीतिक दबाव में ये काम किया है. सीबीआई की भी जांच होनी चाहिए कि किस तरीके से ये इस तरह के फर्जी मामले बनाती है.
Insofar as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, the double standards have always been intrinsic in their behavior. When there is an investigation which is in line with what their perception is, then the agency concerned becomes fair and impartial. If the investigation is not in line with what their perception is, then it becomes the Congress Bureau of Investigation.
What's more, the JDU even demanded the CBI director's resignation.
सबसे पहले सीबीआई के डायरेक्टर को रिजाइन करना चाहिए. रिजाइन करे, उसके ऊपर केस चलना चाहिए कि अभी तक आपने किस किस को खुश करने के लिए किस किस को बरी किया, किसको छोड़ा और किसको अंदर लिया.
The CBI is often accused by the opposition of being the handmaiden of the ruling party. But with the general elections now being just a couple of months away, the controversy over the CBI director's reported remarks has caused embarrassment to an already embattled centre and further raised the political temperatures on a cold winter day here in the capital. In New Delhi, Neha Khanna for NDTV.